Yesterday, I was giving a talk and talking about how AI will replace some jobs for programmers, but it won't replace taste. And I want to give you an example of what is taste with something very specific that I'm doing right now. Um, I'm doing some tests for a code that I'm doing in Recommenders, that is White and Deep, which is a machine learning model in recommendation systems. And what you see here to the left is a test, is testing the different optimizers for the model. And to the left is actually not wrong. Okay, so you're looping through the different optimizers and you're making sure that the system works, right? But this is not really the best way of doing this. The best way of testing this is with parametrize. Okay, this is much cleaner. This is much cleaner way of doing the using the optimizer. Okay, um, and I think that the idea is that AI will make us faster. So I don't have to write all this code, but we'll always have the taste. The taste is the difference between what you see in the left and you see to the right. Okay, and no AI will replace the programmer's taste.